System.io gives you funnels, email, courses, and an affiliate program, completely free. GetResponse gives you live webinars, advanced automation, and professional email tools, starting at $19 a month. Both have free plans, both are popular, but they solve completely different problems. In this video, I'll show you exactly which one fits your situation. System.io is a fully integrated, all-in-one marketing platform designed for beginners and small business owners who want one tool to replace everything. On the free plan, you get up to 2,000 contacts, unlimited email sends, unlimited sales funnels, online course hosting, membership sites, a blog, and a built-in affiliate program manager. No credit card required, no time limit. GetResponse is primarily an email marketing and automation platform built for businesses that need professional-grade email workflows, advanced segmentation, and live webinar hosting. The free plan supports up to 500 contacts with basic email marketing and landing pages. No credit card required. Paid plans unlock advanced automation, webinars, sales funnels, and course creation. It's designed for businesses where email is the primary growth channel. On pricing, System.io has a simpler and more predictable structure. The free plan supports 2,000 contacts with unlimited funnels and emails. The first paid tier is $17 a month for 5,000 contacts with everything unlocked, including A/B testing. The mid-tier is $47 a month for 10,000 contacts with evergreen webinars and priority support. The top tier is $97 a month for unlimited contacts with all features included. GetResponse's free plan supports 500 contacts. The starter plan is $19 a month. The marketer plan is $59 a month and adds unlimited automation workflows, sales funnels, and webinars. The creator plan is $69 a month and adds course creation, a website builder, and premium newsletters. All GetResponse paid plans scale with contact list size. Costs increase as your list grows. For free plan generosity, System.io wins clearly, 2,000 contacts versus 500, and significantly more features included at no cost. For advanced email features and live webinars, GetResponse's paid plans are stronger. The three differences that matter most. First, scope. System.io replaces multiple tools in one platform. Funnels, email, courses, affiliates, and membership sites are all included on the free plan. GetResponse focuses on email and automation depth. It does not have a built-in affiliate program, and course creation is only available on the top-tier creator plan. Second, webinars. GetResponse includes live webinar hosting on paid plans, up to 1,000 attendees. System.io only supports evergreen webinars, pre-recorded sessions, not live. If live webinars are a core part of your business, GetResponse is the only option here. Third, automation depth. GetResponse has more advanced email automation, complex multi-step workflows, behavioral triggers, and advanced segmentation. System.io's automation is simpler, more visual, and more beginner-friendly. If you need enterprise-level email sequences, GetResponse has the edge. System.io makes the most sense for beginners, course creators, coaches, and small business owners who want one platform to handle funnels, email, courses, and affiliates without paying for multiple tools. The free plan is genuinely useful. 2,000 contacts, unlimited funnels, and course hosting at no cost makes it one of the strongest free plans available for an all-in-one tool. GetResponse makes the most sense for businesses where email marketing is the primary growth channel and advanced automation is essential. If you run live webinars regularly, need complex behavioral email workflows, or have an existing email list you want to migrate to a professional platform, GetResponse is purpose-built for that. The simplest way to decide: if you need one tool to do everything and want to start free with room to grow, System.io. If email automation depth and live webinars are your priority, GetResponse. Both platforms offer free plans with no credit card required. Links are in the description. Full side-by-side comparison with pricing details is at WealthForge Tools, links below. If you found this useful, a like helps more people find it. Subscribe for more tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.